Hi, it's me again. Today I'll be talking about or reviewing this cable. It's by Reach cable. It's a 10-foot long, 10-foot long lightning cable. It's compatible for iPads, iPod, nanos, tablets, iPhones 5s through 6. You can see right here, it's for the iPad. I like it because it does not wear out. As you can see, so it's made of braided fabric instead of like the other cheap stuff. Well, I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, the only thing I don't like about this is this. It, like where the curl where it was like rolled up or whatever, it stays and it won't go away. It's like it's too tight. It won't. See, I can't seem to get it straight, and I mean the only thing that's hell, because it does get tangled really easily. So if you're gonna have one, make sure you don't move. You're not gonna take it around with you anywhere. I have this one, and because my other one broke, and I've taken it everywhere with me, and I get tangled. Like if I'm taking it to my room, to the living room, it's by the time just on the walk where it's already tangled. But overall, it does charge really quick. I charged my phone the other day like in an hour, like 100% battery, and I had it like at 3 or 4% because I'm like one of those, I just leave it until like it's about to shut down. But overall, it's really nice. I mean, just it's very useful. I mean, I like the length. I know, right? I like the length. It's long. I mean, I can plug it on the wall and sit on the couch, and I don't have to be stuck to the wall all the time. Pretty much it. I mean, I hope you guys like this video, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys later. Bye.